Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how to paint this stained glass hummingbird sign. I am starting by going in and base coating each of my little sections. I am using peony currently for this flower. Next, I went in with kudzu for my greenery, my leaves there, and now I'm using the gulf for these little sections. I'm going in now with limeade for my hummingbird's back. And then next I'll go in with a little bit of honky tonk red for the face and neck area. Going in with cotton for his belly. Next, I'm going in with evergreen for his wing. Now I'm going in with peacock for another part of the sky. Now I'm going in with Dixie Belle blue. Now I'm finishing it off by going in and painting my outline in the color pine cone. Once that's dry, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round in the color Savannah Mist, and I'm going to use that to outline everything to give it more of a stained glass look. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.